Mirha sits at the breakfast table, anxiety etched across her face. Baba, I'm feeling scared, Mirha confesses, her voice trembling with apprehension. Mama offers words of encouragement. You can do it, Beta. We're with you. Baba nods in agreement, his expression a mixture of pride and concern for his daughter. Hussein watches his sister, his young face mirroring her worry. In the quiet interview room, Mirha sits poised, facing a teacher whose gentle eyes radiate warmth and curiosity. She closes her eyes, inhaling deeply as she gathers her inner strength, the air filling her lungs. A comforting vision fills her mind. The faces of her family, their unwavering love a shield against any doubt. Her posture straightens, reflecting the values instilled in her through years of nurturing. The interviewer's lips curve into a warm smile, impressed by Mirha's poised presence and intelligence. The front door swings open with a bang, and Mirha storms in, a radiant smile lighting up her face. She rushes towards her parents, her voice filled with joy and excitement. Mama, Baba, I passed the interview, Mirha exclaims, her eyes sparkling with triumph. Baba smiles, his eyes filled with pride as he offers words of encouragement. This is just the beginning, Beta, Baba says, his voice ringing with confidence and hope for her future.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.